I came to the Lifestyle Center because I knew I would get what I needed. My name is Patricia Ramon. I'm from Atlanta, Georgia, and I am a retired high school English teacher. I wanted restoration. I wanted a closer walk with God. I wanted to improve my eating habits and meet new people, get counseling so I could be on the right track to exactly where I wanted to meet my goals. The highlight of my experience here was speaking with people who could tell me the right things to do, such as my lifestyle coaches, the counselors, the medical team. So all of that put together were highlights for me. Yes, I did find recovery. I studied my Bible more. I went to more worship services, morning and night. I read the scriptures that were referred to me. And to me, yes, I became more spiritual. My blood pressure was running a little high. Since I've been here at Wildwood, it's been very stabilized, and I just thank God for that. Life to me now will be more direct. I will have more discipline. I will be able to set agendas, schedules, and be very structured because of what I was taught at Wildwood. I would definitely recommend the program, especially to people who are interested in becoming renewed or restored, or people who want medical help. I would definitely promote this program, and that's what I plan to do.